All right, so today, please hold. Oh my god, it is empties time. We clearly have a lot of empties to get through today, so this is basically where I go through the products that I've used up, but I always find these videos super helpful because you can see what people actually use and you have full-formed opinions on products because you've used the entire thing. So if you're excited for this empties video and you enjoy while you're watching, you can give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. Just a little social media shout out here. FYI, my handles have changed. Everything is Taylor Wynn except Facebook, Taylor Wynn Official. So I'm going to have those down below, but Instagram is now Taylor Wynn, Twitter's Taylor Wynn. Pop them in right here. Here we go. All right, let's dig in. So like always, I'll have kind of like the standout products, the products I really like linked down below in the description box. But first up, I have a hair mask here. So this is by L'Oreal. It's their Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. I discovered this hair mask when I basically broke off all of my hair trying to go gray, silver. Who remembers that? Comment down below. Have a few videos documenting that whole process. Good times. Basically, a hairstylist fried off all my hair and it was super damaged. So this hair mask kind of saved me during then. It was one of the products that I used to help repair my hair. And ever since then, I still use it. I have a lot of hair masks I'm trying to go through, so I haven't repurchased this one yet. As soon as I use up those, I will definitely be repurchasing this guy because it is amazing. It's from the drugstore, it's affordable, and I actually feel like it really helps my hair. It does something magical, it makes my hair super soft. If you have damaged hair, I would highly recommend. Next up, we have a Colgate Optic White mouthwash. This is my go-to mouthwash. I swear by Colgate Optic White and Crest 3D White. I usually go for the Colgate Optic White mouthwash over the Crest 3D White. I don't know why, I just prefer this one, but I feel like this actually does make your teeth whiter, and when I stop using it, I do notice a difference. This is the Living Proof Restore Shampoo. This one smells amazing. It smells like the L'Oreal, what's it called? Everpure. Like the rosemary mint one. It smells exactly like that. I'm almost out of the conditioner, but the shampoo I go through a little bit faster because I usually wash my hair twice and then I condition. This one I really liked. Like it is one of those high-end shampoos and conditioners that lathered and that I did like. I don't know if I would purchase this. They sent this one. I don't think I would purchase this just because I feel like the L'Oreal Everpure one is pretty much the exact same thing and it does a similar kind of thing for my hair. I really like this. I just don't know if it's worth the money. These are usually in my empties videos. I have never purchased one of these. They just always keep sending these, but these are the Garnier Micellar Eye Makeup Remover Pads. I would purchase these because I really like using this in the morning. You know how sometimes you wake up in the morning, even if you've like gotten all of your eye makeup off at night and you just have like a little bit of black under your eyes, or you just need like a little bit of cleaning up, but you don't want to whip out a whole makeup wipe or like fully wash your face or whatever it is. These are really tiny, yeah, there's no more in here, but they're just really tiny white little pads that aren't too oily. Like they're not oily at all. They don't irritate my eyes, and I really like them for just getting off the excess makeup. I wouldn't like fully remove my eye makeup with this, but I do like using one of these to just get off the excess makeup. You guys, I have so many empties here. I think I kind of underestimated this. Okay, so then I have a Physicians Formula Eye Booster. Ever since they launched the waterproof version, I'm just gonna buy that from now on because it is so much blacker and it just lasts amazing. I think it's packed in my, it's packed in my travel bag right now, but I am out of this one and I'm almost out of a second one that I've just been working on. You guys know this is my favorite eyeliner, but if you haven't tried the waterproof one, holy crap. Have a little Crest 3D White guy here. I do use these not super often, maybe like once every month or once every couple months. Just whenever I feel like my teeth start getting too yellow, then I'll just pop one of these on. I just leave these on for like 25 minutes, and the thing I really love about these is that it's so easy. You literally just peel off a strip. I cut them in half, so I actually get double the uses of these. Cut them in half horizontally and then put it on. You don't have to fuss with like trays and gels. It's just so easy, and you can get them at the drugstore. We have a Dove Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This one took me a long time to go through because I didn't use it every single time I washed my hair because I didn't want it to like strip the color out of my hair. I basically use this if I felt like I had a lot of product buildup or I just felt like my scalp needed a good scrub. It smells really good. It does smell like mint, and it has like a little bit of a tingly kind of feel to it. I don't think it really did a whole lot for my scalp. Would I repurchase this? Probably not. Well, I have a lot of teeth products in today's empties, but this is the Colgate Essentials with Charcoal. I did a Instagram thing with them for this product, and I do really like this. If you want a whitening toothpaste specifically, I would say go with the Colgate Optic White, but if you just want like a normal toothpaste, I did really like this one, and it's super minty. I didn't think the charcoal would be minty, but it is. This one I had in my travel bag, so I finally went through it. I have two different body washes. This first one is the Nubian African Black Soap. Body wash, detoxifying. I really didn't like this one. I wouldn't repurchase this. It had these like kind of grainy beads in it, and I just feel like it didn't really like clean me that well. I can't remember if I bought this or if it came in PR, but I wouldn't purchase it. Body wash I do really like, and that I feel like gets off my deodorant really well. Do you guys find that some body washes just totally don't actually wash you? Like the one I'm using right now is by Nivea, and it doesn't do anything. You'll see that in the next Empties video probably, but this one, the Soap & Glory Shower Ranger, it's a cooling body wash. It has the normal Soap & Glory scent, but this one just like fully removes the deodorant under my arms in the shower and just actually works and like makes me feel clean, you know, what a body wash is supposed to do. So definitely recommend the Soap & Glory body washes. Next up, I have a foundation, a Cosmetics CC Illumination. I've had this one for a long time. It's taken me a long time to go through this. This is in the shade Fair. The CC Illumination is definitely my favorite out of all of the Cosmetics foundation face products. If you like glowy skin, this is so beautiful. It's not super long lasting, so keep that in mind. Usually I'll use this either mixed in with something, or if I just want like a few hours of glowy, pretty skin if I'm like out running errands or something. And this product has always, even before Accutane, really worked well for my skin. And when I was consistently using it like every day, I feel like it was actually helping my skin. So if you have acne, might be worth looking into. This is always in my empties, my Old Spice Amber that I ordered off of eBay. This was discontinued. I'm still mad about it. Don't want to talk about it. All right, these I've been waiting to tell you about. I don't know why I didn't include these in a favorites video. I really should have before this point. These are the DHC Silky Cotton Pads. So they're just cotton pads, but these are the best cotton pads you will ever use in your life. They don't shed at all. They have like a finger slip in the back, so you can just like slide your finger in and then, you know, use it to do your thing on your face. You get 80 pads in here, and the pricing isn't horrible like compared to the Shiseido ones. I totally think these are worth it if you're someone who's like really picky with cotton pads, which I am. I cannot stand when cotton pads shed on your face, or if you're like taking off nail polish and they start shedding and the cotton comes out. It drives me insane. Speaking of nail polish remover, I have this Olive & June acetone-free nail polish remover. So this is basically that kind of thing where you like stick your finger in, little sponge thing, and just give it a turn or just let it chill there, and it takes off your nail polish. And this, ooh, wow, that's a strong scent. Almost got like knocked out by that. Wow. For being acetone free, this works surprisingly well. Would I purchase this? No, this was sent in PR, and I just don't think it worked that well. And the thing I really didn't like is that the sponge started breaking down really early on. By like the third use, the sponge was like falling apart in there. So then you would just have to kind of like get the sponge parts off of your nail. Cute packaging, wouldn't buy it. Used up one of my favorite cleansing balms of all time. This is the Physicians Formula Perfect Matcha. I did a video talking all about different cleansing balms and giving like my reviews on all of them, but this one definitely ranked one of the highest. It is completely empty, so I don't know why I'm showing you that. One that I didn't mention in there that is friggin' incredible that I tried after I made that video, that is also really reasonably priced, is the Good Molecules Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, that one is amazing. Both these are really good. If you just want to get one where you can like run into the drugstore and pick it up if you're out of makeup remover, I would say go with Physicians Formula. But if you don't mind ordering one online, the Good Molecules one is friggin' incredible. That I would use to take off my makeup. I always double cleanse or sometimes even triple cleanse. So that wasn't like the only thing I would use on my face to remove my makeup. So then I have this Lancome sheet mask. This is the Genifique Hydrogel Melting Mask. I used this in, I think it was my morning routine video, but this is one of the few sheet masks that I feel like I do notice something happening. You guys know how I feel about sheet masks. I have a very love-hate relationship. There's only a couple that I really like and that I feel like do something and that I don't mind having on my face. Oh my god, I have another toothpaste. This is like the month of toothpaste. What the heck? So this is the Crest 3D White. Like I said, I switched between this and Colgate Optic White. Right now I'm going through a new one called Moon, I think it is. Don't love it. I might switch back to my Colgate, but went through one of these bad boys. This has taken me so long to go through. I don't know how people go through eyebrow pencils and mascara so fast. I feel like both of those, it takes me so long to go through one, but this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade, what shade is this in? I think 4. I do like this pencil, but I feel like the color isn't what I like going for anymore. It's a little bit too cool toned. And I just have so many good drugstore pencils that I've discovered, like the Joa, the Maybelline Ultra Slim, and the e.l.f. brow pencil, that I just don't think you need to buy like a high-end eyebrow pencil really. It's not a bad product. Like, I do really like this, but the drugstore ones are just as good. I have 2 razor products here. Apparently I bought this at TJ Maxx. I don't remember that at all. Like, at all. I have no recollection of that, but apparently I did. And then I just have the Target 5-blade replacement cartridges. I, with razors, usually just buy whatever's on sale, but I do need to get more of my Dollar Shave Club razors because those are the best. The blades on the Dollar Shave Club men's razor, I swear by. It works so amazing and so much better than like these kind of razors. Okay, so I have 3 wipes here. I haven't really been purchasing wipes besides the Neutrogena. I feel like, I don't know, I still like having a wipe. Like, I love my cleansing balms, but sometimes if I'm traveling or if I'm just like too exhausted and I don't want to do like the full face wash thing, it's rare that I don't do that, but I do just like having wipes just in case. And I also like keeping some wipes in my car. So Neutrogena, these are my favorite. They're always in my empties videos. And then these 2 were sent to me, and I just use these to remove makeup, like on my palettes. I just have these sitting on right here on my makeup filming table thing. These are the Pacifica Balancing Hemp and Lavender makeup removing wipes. These didn't remove makeup that well at all. Like, even getting it off of the palette, the foundation, it didn't fully like remove it. So I don't feel like this would be that great on your face probably, but they smelled really nice. Smelled very nice. Right now, by them, I'm going through these ones on my table here. It's the Glowing Glycolic Acid Orange and Vanilla. These smell so sweet. It's a little intense. The Believe Beauty micellar wipes. I did a video testing out Believe Beauty. It's Dollar General's makeup line, so if you want to see that video, I will link it down below and in the eye. They were fine. Wouldn't repurchase them. Wasn't like in love or anything. Have a Bath & Body Works soap here. This is just Frozen Lake Gentle Exfoliating. This one smells really good. I think I got this last winter. Guessing by the name, you know, Frozen Lake would make sense. So it took me a while to go through. I had this one in my kitchen, but it smells amazing and I would repurchase this. I didn't find that it was like super exfoliating. It's just a very gentle kind of bead, so it wasn't like too much. Have a lash glue. This is the lash glue I use every single day. Anytime I'm wearing lashes, I'm wearing this one. It's the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe, latex-free, and clear. This is one of the only lash glues I have found that really works, keeps the lashes on, but that doesn't completely burn my eyes. I still get burny eyes every single time I wear lashes, but this one is like minimal compared to some other lash glues I've tried. If you have sensitive eyes, could be worth trying this one. I've already repurchased it. Where did I just put it? Right here. This is the conditioner thing that comes in my hair color, but it's the L'Oreal Preference number 3. This makes my hair so soft. I do not understand why they don't sell these as just conditioners. So this I just kept the little top of because it was one of those like travel sized shampoo and conditioners, but I brought this to Vegas with me to use as the shampoo and conditioner. And it's the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging. This really did not lather on my hair. I used the full shampoo thing. It was like a big, you know, like normal shampoo travel size little packet thing. I used the full thing on one hair wash and I just could not get it to lather, and I felt like my hair didn't get super clean. I've heard good things about the Caviar line, but for me, I just didn't really like it. The conditioner was better, but the shampoo I would never buy. I just love shampoos that lather, and there are good sulfate-free drugstore and high-end shampoos that lather, so it's possible. I just don't understand why so many high-end shampoos don't lather. Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black is one of my favorite scents ever, and their candles are incredible. They burn for forever and they smell so strong. Like, you could literally have it lit for like 20 minutes and your whole place will smell amazing. I get these off of Hot Look. They're on there every now and then. They have the white ones and the black ones, and I think you can get them like 20 bucks off or something on Hot Look. It's just Nordstrom Rack's flash sale site. I'll have a link for Hot Look down below. The scent of this is like a man candle, but really also warm and almost like sexy smelling. It smells really good. Have a NARS Climax mascara that I've used up. I have literally about 5 mascaras that I'm like almost out of. So I feel like the next empties video will probably have an absurd amount of mascaras, but it's because I always like rotate between stuff. So I'm almost out of a ton of them. This one I have fully used up. It's one of my favorite mascaras for layering. Ever since I found the Lash Princess and the Revlon mascara though, the combo that I've been raving about nonstop the last couple months, I don't think I would repurchase this just because that combo works so amazing. It's from the drugstore. I do still really love this mascara, and if you want a good high-end mascara, recommend it if you like just like fluffy kind of lashes, but those two are so good and they're from the drugstore. Two little perfume samples here that I used up. This one is the Viva La Juicy Rose. Viva La Juicy reminds me of when I lived in Israel because I used this perfume every single day. I don't think it was the rose one. It smells very fresh, but also like playful and a little bit dark. Like there's a little bit of darkness to it. I don't know. I do really like this one. I probably would purchase the full size of it. I have so many perfumes I need to go through before I buy another full size one. Okay. This is the Dior Joy. Not my cup of tea. I kind of just used it up to use it up. Have another candle. This is the Bath & Body Works Mahogany Teakwood. A classic. This is just like the classic man candle. I will always repurchase this candle. I actually have 0 Bath & Body Works candles left. I've just been trying to go through my candle collection and I have not purchased a single candle this season at all. From Bath & Body Works, from anywhere. I don't think. Have I? So those are all the beauty products. Now I just have a few lifestyle, cleaning, random things. So I have 3 of the premium Jain CBD gummies. These are the 25 milligram gummies. I feel like these do as much for me as far as CBD oil as the Hemp Bombs one, and they're so much cheaper. They're still not cheap. CBD is freaking expensive. Insurance, can you please cover it? Because what the heck. I always have CBD oil in all of my empties videos because I just go through it like crazy. But for me, it's something natural that takes my pain down like maybe half a notch. So it's worth it if it, you know, does something and it's not bad for you. So I have already 2 more of these on backup. I will continue to buy these. I still do purchase the Hemp Bombs 4,000 milligrams, but this is like, what is it? 200, 300 bucks. It is expensive for the 4,000 milligram one, and I feel like these do pretty much the same and they're way cheaper, so I don't know. I also go through these really fast. I have very exciting dishwasher packs. These are the Target Up and Up brand. I did really like these. You get 60 and they're pretty affordable compared to like other, you know, dishwasher pack. I like switching up all of my household products all the time because I love testing products in general, not just like makeup stuff. Something so exciting about testing new products to me. So I usually switch it up, so I haven't repurchased these. I purchased, I think, the Kroger brand ones to see if they're any different or better. Last empties is the Gain Flings. These are just detergent little pods, and I basically just get these whenever they're on sale on Walgreens. Walgreens online always does really good sales on detergent for some reason. Gain is my favorite smelling detergent ever. In my last empties video, a lot of you guys recommended, crap, I can never remember the name of it. I'll pop in a picture right here, but I do want to try that for my next detergent, but I do already have these on backup, so I'm going to go through those and then I'll purchase the other one. But I love the scent of these and they just work really well for me. All right. Wow. That was a lot of trash. My empties basket is now empty. Hallelujah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know your favorite products that you consistently go through down below in the description box. If you want to see mini reviews on other products I've gone through, you can definitely check out my empties playlist. I will have it linked down below in the description box, and I'll also have all the products I talked about today linked down below as well. Quickly, the makeup I used on my face today, I put on this lipstick. This is the Maybelline 135 Globetrotter. For eyes, I just used this little Revlon palette. This is Original. For highlight, I used Becca Moonstone. Been obsessed with this. Blush is CoverGirl True Blend in Medium Rose. Foundation, have a review on this. I mixed this in F3, the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate, with the Urban Decay Stay Naked just to get the shade to match me better. And then for bronzer, I used my Bare Minerals Original Powder Foundation, shade Medium 10. And my lashes are Kiss Boudoir. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.